Ever wondered what signs a woman gives when she's ready to take things to the next level? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to the Ultimate Man's Guide, where we unravel the mysteries of the dating world, one video at a time. Click the like button now. Now before we dive in, let's set the ground rules. This guide is not about tricking or coercing women into anything. Respect and consent are paramount. We're here to help you read the signals, not manufacture them. Remember, every woman is unique, and what works with one might not work with another. But you're not here for a lecture on respect, right? You're here because you want to understand women better, and that's exactly what you're going to get. So stick around and let's get this show on the road. This channel is your one-stop shop for all things dating. We've got tips on how to approach women, how to keep a conversation going, and even how to plan the perfect date. We break down the science of attraction and give you practical advice that you can use in the real world. And the best part, we make it fun. In this series, we're going to explore the subtle signs that a woman is ready to sleep with you. These aren't your typical Hollywood cliches. These are real indicators based on psychology, body language, and emotional connection. We're going to take a deep dive into the female psyche and give you the tools you need to navigate this often confusing terrain. So whether you're a seasoned Casanova or a rookie in the dating game, this guide is for you. It's time to level up your game, understand women better, and become the ultimate man. Remember, the journey to becoming the ultimate man is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, understanding, and a willingness to learn. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Stay tuned, because you're about to become the ultimate man. Sign number 1, she's comfortable with your touch. Now, this isn't about getting touchy-feely at every opportunity. It's about understanding and respecting her comfort zone. When a woman is ready, she'll let you into that personal space. She might lean into your arm while laughing at your jokes or place her hand on your shoulder when she's making a point. These are not just physical touches, they're her way of expressing trust and comfort. Notice the subtleties. Is she relaxed when you're close? Does she mirror your body language? These are signs she's comfortable with you. But remember, gentlemen, consent is key. Don't invade her space if she's not welcoming you in. Here's a pro tip. Observe her reactions. If she tenses up or pulls away, it's a clear signal to back off. But if she's at ease, then you're on the right track. The touch isn't just physical, it's emotional too. Remember that. Scene script. Moving on to sign number 2, she's open with her feelings. Let's dive right into it. An emotional connection is a cornerstone of any intimate relationship, and it's no different when it comes to identifying signs that a woman is ready to take things to the next level. When a woman starts to express her feelings towards you, it's a clear indication of her trust and comfort in your presence. It's not just the words, but the emotions she allows you to see. It's the laughter, the tears, the frustration, and the joy. This openness is a testament to the intimacy that's been built between you two. It's about more than just physical attraction, it's about emotional connection. She's letting you in on her world, making you a part of her emotional landscape. That's a profound sign of trust, gentlemen, and typically, it's a sign of things heating up. Remember though, it's not just about what she says, but how she says it. Sign number 3, she takes initiative. Now this is a big one, gents. If she's ready to take things to the next level, she might just step up and take charge. It's not always about you leading the dance. Sometimes she wants to set the rhythm, choose the moves, and lead the way. When a woman starts to take initiative, it can be a clear sign she's comfortable with you and ready for more. She might suggest plans, text you first, or even make the first move. This is her way of showing interest and engagement, and trust me, it's a green light you don't want to miss. So, gentlemen, don't shy away from this, embrace it, let her take the reins sometimes. It shows you respect her and are secure enough to let her lead. And who knows, you might enjoy the ride, let her lead the way, and you might just find what you're looking for. Sign number 4, she's showing you her vulnerability. Now this is a big one, gentlemen. You see, vulnerability is the gateway to intimacy. It's not about being weak or submissive, no, it's about trust, it's about connection. When a woman starts to let her guard down, that's her showing you she trusts you. She's comfortable enough to reveal her true self, warts and all. She's not trying to put on a show or impress you, she's just being real. And that, my friends, is a clear sign she's ready to take things to another level. She might share her fears, insecurities, or past mistakes. She's not seeking your pity or sympathy, but your understanding and acceptance. It's her way of saying, I trust you with the real me. So, when you notice this sign, respect it. Show her that her trust in you is well placed. Vulnerability is strength, not weakness, remember that. Last but not least, sign number 5, she's communicative about her desires. Now this is a big one, gentlemen. When a woman is ready, she will be expressive about what she wants, and this includes her romantic and intimate desires. She's not playing the guessing game, she's stepping up and laying it all out in the open. This is a clear indication of her comfort level with you and her readiness to take things to the next level. But here's the catch, you've got to be receptive. Listening is more than just hearing words. It's about understanding the feelings and emotions behind those words. If she's telling you what she wants, she's trusting you. Respect that trust. Be attentive. Be responsive. This isn't just about you anymore, it's about both of you. So tune in, gentlemen. Tune into her words, her expressions, her desires. Listen to her, truly listen, and you'll understand. Alright, we've covered a lot. Let's recap. We started off by discussing the importance of gauging a woman's comfort level with your touch. Remember, this isn't about being overly touchy or invasive. It's about noticing those subtle cues. Is she leaning into your touch or does she seem to shy away? This can be a great indicator of where her comfort level is at. Next, we talked about how a woman will often open up about her feelings when she's ready to take things further. This can be a tricky one. It's not about her pouring out her deepest, darkest secrets. It's about her feeling comfortable enough to share more personal aspects of her life with you. This can show a level of trust and intimacy that could indicate she's ready. Then we discussed how a woman may take the initiative. This could be anything from making plans for the two of you, to initiating physical contact. Remember, it's not about her taking control of the relationship, but rather showing that she's comfortable enough to take the lead at times. We also talked about vulnerability. It's not always easy to show our softer sides, but when a woman is ready to sleep with you, she might start to let her guard down. She might show you a more vulnerable side of herself, which can be a clear sign that she trusts you and feels safe with you. Lastly, we discussed how a woman who is ready might be more communicative about her desires. This could be her outright telling you what she wants, or more subtly expressing her desires through body language or hints. This is perhaps one of the most straightforward signs, but it also requires you to be attentive and understanding. Now, while understanding these signs can be incredibly helpful, it's crucial to remember that they are not foolproof. Every woman is different, and what might be a sign for one woman might not be for another. It's always important to communicate openly and honestly, and to ensure that consent is given every step of the way. Moreover, these signs should not be used as a means to an end. Being the ultimate man isn't about scoring points or getting what you want. It's about understanding women, respecting them, and treating them right. So gentlemen, take these tips and apply them responsibly. Use them to build stronger relationships, to deepen your understanding of the women in your life, and to become the ultimate man. Remember, being the ultimate man is about more than just knowing when a woman is ready. It's about respecting her, understanding her, and treating her right. Until next time, gentlemen, subscribe to our channel and watch this playlist.